Toyota's available dynamic radar cruise control supplements conventional cruise control with an additional vehicle-to-vehicle distance control function, enabling the vehicle to automatically adjust speed to maintain a set following distance from a vehicle ahead. To determine the distance from the vehicle ahead, the system relies on a radar sensor mounted at the front of the vehicle. It is important that this sensor be kept clean at all times to ensure proper operation of the system. The radar sensor detects the presence of vehicles up to about 120 meters, 400 feet, ahead. It determines the current vehicle-to-vehicle following distance and operates to maintain a suitable distance behind that vehicle. With dynamic radar cruise control, conventional cruise control can be operated in the same manner as in vehicles without the vehicle-to-vehicle distance control function. The controls are the same, and setting, adjusting, and canceling the set speed are performed in the same way. There is an additional distance control button on the steering wheel for setting the desired vehicle-to-vehicle distance to be maintained. 3 choices are available: long, medium, and short. They can be selected by repeatedly pushing the distance control button. The selected distance is shown in the multi-information display along with the set speed. The long position is automatically selected each time the ignition switch is turned on. When driving at 80 kilometers per hour, the long setting results in a following distance of approximately 50 meters from the vehicle ahead. With the medium setting, that distance is reduced to approximately 40 meters, and with the short setting, to approximately 30 meters. Those vehicle-to-vehicle distances increase or decrease proportionately with vehicle speed and may increase or decrease on long grades. When there is a vehicle ahead within the set range, a vehicle ahead symbol illuminates in the cruise control indicator, and the vehicle maintains the preset distance behind it as it slows down or speeds up to a maximum of the speed set for the cruise control. If the vehicle speed falls below approximately 40 kilometers per hour, vehicle-to-vehicle distance control driving is automatically canceled. When coming up on a very slow-moving vehicle, or if another vehicle cuts into the set space from the vehicle ahead, a warning tone may sound, and a warning appears in the multi-information display to alert the driver to brake. Although the system will automatically apply the brakes, there are limits to the amount of brake control it can exert, and it is not designed to bring the vehicle to a complete stop. The vehicle-to-vehicle distance control may automatically cancel if it detects inclement weather, such as rain, fog, or snow, or other circumstances that may impair its operation. The cruise control function can also be canceled by depressing the brake pedal, moving the cruise control switch to cancel, pressing the main cruise control on-off switch, or shifting from drive to neutral. Additionally, if you would prefer to not use the automatic distance function and operate it as a traditional cruise control system, you may do so by pushing the cruise control stalk forward after setting your desired speed. Keeping in mind that in doing so, the driver is now exclusively responsible for maintaining the appropriate distance between other vehicles. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to your Toyota model. See your owner's manual for details. Thank you for watching this Know Your Toyota video.